So this is a project to upcycle an old washing machine drum. Remember my washing machine that I took out? There it goes. Yes, upcycle an old washing machine drum and convert it into a wood burner or incinerator. So you chop up all your bits of wood in there, set fire to it, and you can either get rid of a lot of timber, or you can, I don't know, do a barbecue on it. Right, if you look on YouTube, everybody's doing it. So, there we go. And that's the washing machine motor. That's what spins your washing round and round and round at 1400 RPM. Okay, and right, first of all, it's absolutely freezing cold, so I'll try and make this YouTube video very quick. So that's a washing machine drum in its outer case, and that came out of that washing machine, which you may have recognised from the video. So, and it went in there. So, the basic layout of the washing machine, briefly, non-technically, is all of that hangs by springs inside the white box. So you have the case, outer case, a disc on the back with belt groove holes in, which fixes to that yellowish mustard casting. So the motor goes on the side, the belt round there, the belt round there, and that turns it round and round. So there's the drum. That fits on to the outer drum. It's got a rubber seal around it which keeps it watertight when it's full of water. And that concrete casting goes on to the front of there with some bolts. There's the 4 bolt holes. Right.